Okay guys, we're back with another recipe from Keto Made Easy by Keto Connect. We are on the fresh baked portion of the recipe book. Fresh baked chapter 2. So today we're going to do microwaved bread. This was pretty popular and easy recipe. I really enjoy doing these. It is a great alternative to you know, regular English muffins or any kind of bread. You can just make these really quick and easy. The first thing that we're going to do is, calories are 285, fat is 25 grams, protein is 10 grams, carbs are 6, and fiber is 4. So let me go ahead and get the butter. We're going to put 1 tablespoon of butter. Doing this on my lunch break, so I forgot to bring out the butter, and this is the Kerrygold grass-fed butter. You can get this pretty much at any local grocery store now. You can get it at Fry's, Safeway, you can get it at Costco. I thought I had enough butter in my butter dish, but I do not have enough butter, so I need to cut this open here. Unwrap a new butter. And we're going to use 1 tablespoon, and we're going to melt this butter in the microwave first. So I'm going to put this in the microwave for 30 seconds. So that'll be done here in a second, and then we're going to put the remaining ingredients inside the coffee mug, and then we'll microwave it. So once that gets done, let me just put it aside here. Perfect. So it's melted here, and then we're going to add 1/2 tablespoon of blanched almond flour. So I've got my almond flour in one of these containers here. Here's my 1 tablespoon. And then 1/2 of a tablespoon. I grabbed a teaspoon. I'm just going to do 1/2 of this. And then the next thing we're going to add in is flaxseed meal. If you've watched any of my other videos, flaxseed is not my favorite, but I'm doing everything that the recipe says. So we're going to do a 1.5 tablespoon of this. There is actually a better recipe by Keto Connect, a little bit better one on their website. This one is just in the recipe book, so I'm going to do this one. And then 1 large egg. I make breakfast sandwiches with the one that's on their website. I really like that one. And then 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. So here's my baking powder. And then we're just going to stir it up a little bit. I just use a fork. Really gets that egg mixed up in there and broken up. Actually, I forgot to even pour this down, you guys, so you could see. But wonder how it's going to taste with that flaxseed meal. So that's what it looks like, and then we just put the fork off to the side, and now we stick it in the microwave for about 60 seconds, and then we pull it out and we let it sit. A lot of keto recipes, you do need to let the items sit, so we're going to go ahead and stick this in the microwave. And when it's done, it's going to look like this, but we're going to let it sit here for about 2 to 3 minutes. Okay guys, we're all done. We're going to try it now. The easiest way to take this out is just to take a knife and just look how moist that is. Doesn't that look good? Looks great. So then we're just going to cut it in half here. Perfect shape. Great texture, not too hard. Got a lot of bounciness to it. We're going to put some butter on it. And then I'm going to try some of it here. I already know I like their other recipe. I don't know how this tastes with the flaxseed in it, but we're going to see here. I'm going to move this up so you guys can see my facial expressions, because those are always the best. Actually, I can't taste the flaxseed. So the egg really comes out in this one, but it tastes really good and I like it. I would use this again. I like their other one too, their other recipe on the website. But if you guys would like to start following me, please like and subscribe. Keto Made Easy recipe book. I'm doing all 100 recipes in the cookbook, and we'll see you guys again shortly. Thank you.